Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the SHOPEE 6.3-inch video conferencing ring light. The front of the box has an image of the ring light itself. On the left hand side, we have a few of the salient features like its use as a fill light to make for a beautiful face. Next up, it can also be used to do makeup. And lastly, it has multiple color temperature options. On the right hand side of the box, we have an illustration of how the ring light can be set up with a smartphone. There's nothing on the left hand side, nor is there anything on the top or bottom. And on the back, we simply have an illustration of a generic ring light. The ring light also comes with its own mount. This is a clamping mount. Uh, so there is a clip like mechanism. It's really tight, and this clip has a rubberized surface where it clamps onto the surface of, let's say, a table, so it will not scratch up the surface it is clamped onto. The mounting type is a ball mount, so it can be adjusted to face in different directions, and all of those adjustments can be made via this knob right here. On top, we have a quarter-inch screw, which not only can be used to mount up this ring light, but also other photography gear, as it is pretty universal, and most photography gear uses a quarter-inch screw. So that's about it in terms of what we get on the outside. So let's get into the box and see what we get. On the inside, we get the ring light itself, and as we know from the name of the product, it's approximately 6.3 inches in diameter. On top, we have a cold shoe. On the bottom, we have the female quarter-inch mounting point, and on the back, we have another mounting point in case you want to mount it up onto a wall. Coming down to the cable, we have measured the cable out to be approximately 52 to 53 inches long. On the end of the cable, we have a USB Type A interface for power, and in the middle, we have an inline control module. The inline control module has four buttons. On the bottom, we have the on off button. Above it, we have the minus button, which increases the intensity or brightness of the light. Right in the middle, we have a button that changes the color temperature. And on top, we have the plus button that increases the intensity or brightness of the light. So let's see that in action now. We have a power strip right here with a power adapter. The moment we connect it to the power strip, there's a light that turns on the inline control module. Pressing the power button should switch on the light. Let's increase and decrease the intensity. As we can see, pressing the minus button has reduced the brightness of the LEDs, and pressing the plus button increases it. Now we will change the color temperature. Now it's a white light, and right now it's has a yellow tint to it, or a warmer color temperature. To mount the light to the tripod, all we need to do is align the quarter-inch screw and screw it into place. We can use it to mount up to flat surfaces like this. And then we can use the ball mount to adjust it into place. So this was the unboxing of the SHOPEE 6.3-inch video conferencing ring light. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.